So good morning, my dear student. How are you? Hope you are fine. Today we'll continue the chapter measurement of science and we will today read measuring volume. So we will start with capacity. What is capacity? Capacity is the amount of very important definition, amount of liquid a container can hold. A container can hold. Is called capacity. Suppose here I am given a measuring cylinder. This is a cylinder, okay? So the amount of liquid this cylinder can hold is called the capacity of the cylinder. कितना liquid इसमें ये रख सकता है, कितना amount of liquid, that is called the capacity of the cylinder. They are called measuring spoons. How much capacity of liquid these spoons contain? You must have been drinking some milk. So your mother says this glass contains 250 ml of milk or this glass contains 30 ml of milk. So that is the capacity of the container, the amount of liquid it can hold at most. So suppose you are drinking cough syrup. What your mother says, you drink 5 ml of cough syrup, drink 10 ml of cough syrup. It is the capacity, the volume that you have to drink. I think that is clear. Please note it down in your notes. So actually there was some problem in the sound. So again, I am repeating it. Capacity is the amount of liquid a container can hold at most, at maximum is called capacity. Okay, suppose I am giving here a cylinder for you. There is some measuring spoons for you. The amount of liquid it can hold, जितना liquid इसमें रह सकता है उसको capacity बोलेंगे. Suppose you are drinking cup syrup. Your mother tells this small cap contains is a capacity of 5 ml. So you will drink 5 ml of cup syrup. Your mother says this glass contains 250 milliliter of milk. So you are drinking 250 milliliter of milk. Means the capacity of the container which has the milk is 250 milliliter. It cannot contain more than 250 milliliter. That is called capacity. Okay, please note it down. So my dear student, now we will read about volume. What is the definition of volume? So volume is the space occupied the space occupied by a liquid is called its volume. Means how much space the liquid has occupied, it is called volume of the liquid. Suppose in this cylinder the liquid has occupied 50 ml. So 50 ml is the volume of the liquid. Capacity is given for the container, but volume is given for the liquid. Suppose you will get a ratio proportion type question. Capacity is for container, volume is for the liquid present in that container. Okay, I think that is clear. So you write one short note like this. Capacity, C for capacity and C for container. Capacity is for container. in which the liquid is present, and volume is for the liquid. Very, very important. You will get that in your examination. Capacity is the measurement of the container, how much liquid it can contain, but volume is the space occupied by the liquid in that container. Liquid का कितना space है container में, that is called volume. Just note it down, then we will move to the next part. So now we will read some important relation. That is 1 liter, very, very important relation. 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. ml, milliliter is denoted as ml and liter is denoted as L. So milliliter is one of the smaller volumes of smaller volume. Suppose you will say, I will say that 1 teaspoon, I will say about 1 teaspoon. So which unit you will use? Milliliter. 1 teaspoon. You must have heard from your mother. Put 1 teaspoon of sugar or put 1 teaspoon of vinegar. So what is the amount of 1 teaspoon? It is 5 milliliter. Generally it is 5. It may vary, but generally it is 5. Or 1 teaspoon of medicine means 5 ml of medicine. And if I will tell about 1 glass, they are non-standard units. They are not standard because in a glass, the average capacity is 250 ml, but it can increase, it can decrease. You must have seen small glasses, you must have seen big glasses, but the average, what normal comes is of 250 milliliter. But they are non-standard units. They are not standard units. Okay, teaspoon and glass are non-standard units. They are not standard units. So please note it down in your notes. So now we will read some examples to instrument to measure volume. You write cylinder, you write measuring spoons, you may write measuring beaker, Beaker is used in laboratories to measure the amount of chemical to be used in some reactions. Sorry. Measuring beaker, not volume. Measuring beaker. Measuring beaker. You may write measuring cylinder, right? Measuring cylinder, not cylinder only. Measuring spoons, measuring beaker. They tell you the amount of liquid that you have to use for a certain work. Okay. Note it down in your note. Okay, now we will read about measuring time. Give the heading measuring time. So what is the device that is used to measuring time? Used for time measurement, that is clock. Write down clock. You can see the time only using this device clock. This is a new digital clock, but you can also see in your home analog clock is there. So in which time is measured? Hours and minutes. Write down. Hours and minutes. Yes. Hours and minutes. So what is the time over here? It is 12:01 p.m. So it tells about the time. Okay. So this is a part of maths. I have already taught you. You can go to the video and check it. Okay. Note it down. What happened? Yeah. So we will now read about measuring temperature. How to measure temperature. So suppose sometimes you will feel like fever. So what your mother does, she brings you a thermometer. It may be your clinical thermometer or your digital thermometer. She brings you a thermometer and checks the temperature. So which device we use for measuring temperature? Thermometer. Write down. Thermometer. METER, not METRE. Thermometer. It measures the temperature, and in which it is measured, like we measure time in hours and minutes and also seconds. So temperature we will measure in degrees Celsius. Degrees Celsius. Or in some cases, degree Fahrenheit is also used. Most of the thermometer, degree Fahrenheit is used. Your mother tells 100, temperature is 100. So it is what? It is Fahrenheit. Degree Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit is the name of the scientist. And also it is measured in Kelvin. K. In laboratory case, it is normally measured in Kelvin. In labs or in experiments, it is measured in Kelvin. Okay. You must be listening. Today's the temperature of Angul is, or to temperature of Angul or Bhubaneswar is 40 degrees Celsius. Now it is winter, so you must remember the temperature of Daringbadi is 2 degrees Celsius. So that is telling the temperature of the place. So you can say it is hot or cold. I will also tell you the how to say it is hot or cold. So the hottest place of India is Rajasthan. In Rajasthan, in deserts, in the summer season, the temperature crosses 50 degree. And coldest place is your Siachen glacier or your Dachin of not the Dhar Valley of Kashmir. You need the temperature is minus 40 degrees Celsius. So cold. Okay. So right. Suppose the temperature of Delhi in May is 40 degrees Celsius. So is it hot or cold? Is it hot or cold? Yes, it is hot. In which season? Summer season. So by using this thermometer, or there is for measuring temperature, many instruments are used. Basically thermometer is used. You can say the season also. I think I am clear.